Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. After so many months of lockdown, finally they have eased the situation and the malls are open. So we decided to visit Express Avenue Mall because it's near to our place, just 5 minutes from our home. So we decided to take Zohan to the mall because he loves mall, and it's been so many months since he stepped out of our home, and we thought like he has to get outside for a change. And so we decided to visit Express Avenue, and we took a auto ride because it's been months again since we went in auto, and it was near. That is the reason. The reason for visiting mall is that we felt that it won't be much crowded because usually the malls are big and spacious, so we felt people will definitely maintain social distance, and with all the safety precautions we left to Express Avenue. We also wanted to shop a few clothes for Zohan because he has outgrown his clothes. So as you guys can see, all the shops in Express Avenue Mall are open. If in case you want to buy anything, like if you want to visit any branded shops, then you can definitely visit mall because all the stores are open. And as you can see, it was not at all crowded. The stalls, the exhibition, or something or the other used to be there in the basement of Express Avenue. That was also not there. It was so free for us to loiter around. Hey guys, so we are going to Max because I wanted to get some dresses for Zohan, and the reason why we selected Max is that we want casual dresses for Zohan, so that is the reason. And also I want to get some kurtis, so let's see if I can find something in Max. After seeing these slip-ons, Zohan got attracted so much that he was asking for basic slip-ons, but unfortunately his size was not there, so we could not get. And these are the ethnic wear kurtis which I found in Max, and it was like really affordable. And also there was an offer going on in Max for the registered users. There was 10% discount on women's ethnic wear, and 300 off on purchase of about 3000 or so. So there were two coupons for my registered number. So we decided to shop, and yeah, we got some t-shirts for Zohan, and I also got some ethnic dresses for myself. Was already here. Red color. Yeah. Okay.
मैसेज मांगा आगा चलो.
Unfortunately, Fun City was closed, and the reasons were obvious, but Zohan did not expect that. He wanted to see King Kong because he saw King Kong last time when he visited Fun City, so he was forcing us to take him inside. But yeah, what can be done, it was closed. So yeah, good that it was closed. And next to Fun City, they had set up the complete stalls exhibition which used to be there at the basement. Now they have shifted it next to Fun City, and as you can see, even the food court was empty, like no one were there. I mean, not much crowd was there, but very limited. And also many of the restaurants were closed, except few like Burger King, Taco Bell, Pizza Hut, Wow Momo, Subway. These restaurants were open, but the other restaurants were closed. We wanted to have pizza, but I think Domino's is also not there. It was also closed. I think Domino's is not there in Express Avenue itself. So as you can see, everything was closed. Even KFC. I think a KFC restaurant they were trying to set up after 6 p.m. But when we visited food court, it was all closed. and Zohan was sweating because there was no air condition in food court. The area was completely hot. And then we went to the basement. We went to Big Bazaar. My mom, she sanitized the basket, the trolley, completely, because we wanted to make Zohan sit on the trolley because he loves trolley rides. And then we again did some shopping in Big Bazaar. We got some t-shirts for Zohan, some dresses for baby girl, because I wanted to gift some clothes to my friend's daughter who is a newborn baby. And also I wanted to get a night pant for myself. I usually get night pants from Big Bazaar, like track pants. They are very comfortable. So yeah, that was one of the reason why we visited Big Bazaar. And as usual, collections were good. And I think for casual wear, Big Bazaar has really good collections you can check out for kids. Zohan was asking for a cap from a very long time because he has a hat but not cap, and we got him this cap from the brand Disney, and he loved it. And by the time we reached home, he was so sleepy that he slept off on the way, and you can see the sleeping clip of Zohan. Because he slept off in my arms, I could not record the video while returning back. And finally, I'm going to share the shopping haul with you all. At recent times, Zohan is going crazy for superheroes, and luckily he found out a t-shirt which had all the images of superheroes, and it is from the brand Marvel. So obviously we had to get that for him. And apart from that, we got him around 8 t-shirts. A few were sleeveless t-shirts from Big Bazaar. Big Bazaar has good collection of sleeveless t-shirts, whereas in Max I could not find the sleeveless t-shirts for boys. And yeah, this t-shirt I got from Max, and Marvel t-shirt I got from Max. Other t-shirts and sleeveless t-shirts were from Big Bazaar. Big Bazaar also has a very good collection, and this shorts is also from Big Bazaar. I also got these casual frogs for my friend's baby. I really love the colors. They looked very attractive, especially this green. I don't know why, but it looked attractive for me. And I feel that we have to put on different colors on our babies, because it is the time when we can make them wear whatever we like. After they grow up, definitely it is not going to happen. They will wear what they like how Zohan is doing right now. And then I got few kurtis from Max. So this is a basic kurti, a cut kurti, side cut kurti, and the orange one and this steel blue one are long kurtis, like umbrella cut kurtis. And all the dresses are ethnic wear. It's from ethnic wear collections. I really like them. This has a foil print on it. This design was also good, and the orange one was also nice. And this is the track pant which I got from Big Bazaar. I really hope that you guys liked this video. For more such videos, please subscribe and stay tuned to my channel. See you soon in another video. Until then, Allah Hafiz. Take care. Bye bye.